Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today we'll make fish. We'll make fish fingers, the perfect kids meal. But it's also, well, it shouldn't be ignored by adults either, because I'll use a really nice cod. We'll use some panko flour to bread it. We make our own mayonnaise for the tartar sauce. It's going to be amazing. So stick around. But before we start, as always, please click the subscribe button. Click the little bell icon to get a notification when new content goes on. Yeah, but let's get cooking. So this beautiful cod is what we'll need for the fish fingers. We have some dill, some cucumber, well, what do you call them, gherkins, some lemon, egg and oil for the tartar sauce. We also need some eggs for the breading of the fish. And you can see it in the background, I think that's panko flour to bread the fish and normal flour. So it first goes into the flour, then into the egg, and then into the panko. It's time to prep. Here we have our 2 gherkins. We're just gonna chop them up. That should be enough. And we have our dill, roughly chopped as well. And I also like to put a bit of lemon zest, not too much, just cut off about that much, and then finally slice it. That's enough. So this is pretty much all of the nice ingredients that goes into the tartar sauce that we're gonna make for the fish. So now we just have to make the mayonnaise and mix it all together. A wonderful bright yellow yolks. Let's see if it stays. Yeah. I have a neutral grapeseed oil. A little bit at a time. So here we have a wonderful mayonnaise, homemade. It's not as difficult as people think. It's a bit tiring because you have to whisk a lot. And the trick is to add the oil really slowly, and then you get this kind of nice, thick consistency. So now we'll just need to taste it and put in the other ingredients. We need a bit of salt. The dill and the gherkins and the lemon zest. You know, you can tell when it's homemade, it has this yellow color and not this white color that you get in bought mayonnaise. And that's just the yellow of the egg white, of the egg yolk, of course. A little dash of lemon. See if we got there. Perfect. So our sauce is done. Now let's bread the fish. It's time to portion our beautiful cod. My cutting angle probably looks a bit strange, but that's because I have a tripod in front of me and I'm trying to kind of reach through it. But there we are. So we want to season them before we bread them. A little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. Same on the other side. And this part is always a bit messy, so I try to keep one hand dry and one hand wet. So first flour, then egg, and then panko. There we go. So here we have the finished product ready for frying, except for those 3 that are for my wife. She's not eating gluten at the moment, so she's getting them pure. Now it's time to fry it up. Our oil is nice and hot. It's a peanut oil because it needs quite a high heat. I would say it's somewhere in between deep fat frying and frying. Now we'll let them get nice color and then we'll turn them and then they're basically done. It's about time to turn them. So these are perfect now. We take them out onto kitchen paper so they can get rid of the kind of excess oil. Now we're ready to serve up. So we'll start with a couple of potatoes, 2 nice fish fingers, some of our nice tartar sauce, like that, and then put some dill on top. And there we are, we're ready to taste. Can't wait to taste these babies. Nice and crunchy. Get the sauce on there. This is really, it's a perfect dinner. It doesn't take long to prepare. It's healthy. We should all eat more fish. Potatoes, quick, easy. The fish doesn't take long either. The tartar sauce is also really quick. I'm not even sure you call it tartar sauce in proper English, but you know what it is from looking at it. So it's a perfect kind of weeknight dinner. Lots of vitamins. Filling. And really nice and fresh because of the lemon taste. Yeah, that's it. That's fish fingers, basically. Kind of a luxury homemade version of fish fingers. And there's nothing luxury about it except that it's really nice fresh fish. And some might say, oh, it's a shame to do that with such a nice fresh fish. But no, it's not. It's great. It tastes good. It's still healthy. Yeah, has everything you need. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will try this yourself. As always, if you stuck with me this long, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and like the video. And if you haven't done so yet, also the subscribe button, please. It helps me to produce this kind of content for you, which I hope you like. That's it for this time. Next time we'll make our own sausages. That should be exciting. So stick around for that. But thank you for tonight. Take care. Bye-bye.